Hey guys, in this part, talk about the scope in Python. A variable is only available from inside the region of its created. This is called a scope. Local scope. A variable created inside the function belongs to the local scope of the function and can only be used inside that function. So, define a function def myfunc and create x is 300 and print x and call the function myfunc, and we don't have access to the x outside the function. Sorry, we don't have x outside the function. Run. We have 300 and function inside the function. As explained in this example, the variable x is not available outside the function, but it is available for any function inside the function. So I remove this print and define another function, my inner function, and print x in the my inner function, and we have x in here. Save and run. No, call the function my inner function inside myfunc. Save and run, and we have 300. And global scope. A variable created in the main body of the Python code is a global variable and belongs to the global scope. Global variables are available from within any scope, global and local. So I cut the x and paste here, and the x is a global variable, and comment these codes and print x in here and print x in here. Save and run. We have 300 and 300, and we have x inside myfunc. And naming variables. If you operate with the same variable with the same variable name inside and outside of a function, Python will treat them as two separate variables, and one available in the global scope and outside the function, and one available in the local scope and inside the function. So I create another x inside myfunc and set 200 to x and save and run, and this print printed 200 and this print printed 300. And global keyword. If you need to create a global variable but are stuck in the local scope, you can use the global keyword. The global keyword makes the variable global. So I remove this and use global keyword. Save and run, and 300 and 300. And also use the global keyword if you want to make it change to a global variable inside the function. So x equal to 200 in here, and save and run, and we have 200 and 200.